How to permanently remove the watermark, like activate Windows, go to settings to activate Windows. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you remove the watermark, like activate Windows to go to settings to active Windows. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to right click out of your Windows icon, so it will appear at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. So simply you have to do right click. Alright, so from here you'll have to go to the option system. Alright, so from the system section you'll have to scroll down and you have to go the options like product key and activation, so simply click on it. Alright, so from the section here you get the options like activation state. So right now it is active, so in your case it might be non-active, so it may be showing to active your Windows. So simply from there you have to just click on that, and from there you'll have to just provide a Windows product key to activate Windows on your system. So after you provide the product key on here, you'll be able to remove the watermark, activate Windows on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.